Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by creating a Gitlab IML file at the repository root. This file defines the pipeline structure and tells Gitlab how to run jobs. Add an image. Line to pick a Docker image for the runner environment. Define stages with a stages array such as build, test, deploy. Use before script to install dependencies and set environment variables. Commit and push this file to trigger the pipeline on branches and merge requests. Watch the CI/CD page to confirm the pipeline starts and shows job logs. Define jobs under each stage with a job name and script, commands to execute. Each job should include a stage, value to map it into the pipeline order. Set tags when you require specific runner capabilities for that job. Register runners in the project or use shared runners provided by Gitlab. Use variables to store secrets and configure behavior without changing code. Configure artifacts and cache to persist build outputs and speed up subsequent jobs in the pipeline. Trigger pipelines automatically on push events, merge requests, schedules, or API calls. Use rules or only and accept to restrict jobs by branch, tag, or pipeline source. Create scheduled pipelines by adding a pipeline schedule in the CI/CD settings with a cron expression. Use manual for human approval steps before deploy jobs run. Monitor progress on the pipelines page and inspect individual job logs for errors. Configure notifications and alerts to stay informed about fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.